What's up, everybody? We're back again for another mezcal tasting. I'm here with my wife Ilana again, and today I have another very special bottle from HonoriAmor, and this is actually Maguey Chuparrosa, which is Agave SP, meaning it's an agave that hasn't been classified yet. And so I'm excited to share this with you today.
Awesome, I want to try it. Interesting.
From Santa Maria Ecatepec in Oaxaca, in the Chontal region of the mezcal producing regions in Oaxaca. HonoriAmor, Maguey Chuparrosa.
This one has a very different
aromas
than the last one that we had before.
How would you describe these aromas?
I've kind of have the feeling of tamarind, like dirt.
So earthy.
Yep.
Tamarind. I see that. The tamarind, I would describe it as like a acidic smell.
Okay. I also noticed some wood.
Yeah, I was gonna describe it as wood. Like, to me, it smells like wet, fresh wood. So not like lumber, but woody plants, even like almost like hay.
Okay.
I do get a warm nose feel as well from this is 50% ABV, I believe.
Okay. Let's give it a try. Ooh. Oh. I like it.
It's interesting. I like, if you remember and if you saw the last video with the tobalá that had that kick to it, un picor que tenía el mezcal. I noticed that in mouthfeel here, but it was easy and smooth to pass.
This one, yes. Yeah. The previous one doesn't really. Like, I felt it like burning in here, like the spiciness. This one is like way different in the mouth, which I like it, but Pika!
Sorry about that. Pika, get over here. What are you doing?
Let's go back.
Our guard dog. So you were saying...
it feels different, the spiciness in the mouth, than the previous one.
I do get floral aromas as well, almost like roses. Which, ironically, it's called Chuparrosa, which, I don't know, that's not what I'm...
I don't know if you... that makes sense, but I don't know if you just plant that on my head.
Yeah.
Because I kind of noticed that, too.
Like that type of floral, like blooming flowers. And that's just revisiting what aroma, but I'm gonna go back to the flavor profile because that mouthfeel was good. It's medium body to heavy body. It coats the mouth really nicely. I get a bitterness on the retro breath, but like a pleasant bitter.
There's this lotion that girls sometimes we put on our faces to relax our face. It's called Agua de Rosas, which literally is water from roses. Frost water. And I'm feeling that aroma right now.
Yeah.
Well.
Yeah, very smooth. The more I sip on it, it's a smooth, it goes down smooth. It has that kick to it in the mouthfeel, a prickly sensation, but it's not difficult to enjoy or...
Not at all.
Pleasant, for sure.
I like it. For sure my favorite so far. Good.
On smokiness, how would you describe it?
From 1 to...
1 to 3.
1 to 3. I'll say 2.
2, yeah. Good smokiness. Again, I feel like it's on the retro breath at the tail end of it, so it's not up in your face.
It smells melted flowers.
But we'll keep enjoying that. I hope to do more of these and get better. One of the things is I'm practicing being on camera once again, so I've been kind of out of that. I want to get my the practice of tasting and the aromas and everything going again. So one of the things that I want to do is participate more in the community, going to events and hanging out with more people, tasting mezcal. Hopefully we do more together.
That'll be good.
And as always, thank you for watching. Catch you guys next time.